Up, down, shift left, around, step forward, push. Inhale, exhale. Sink into the right side, step left, glide across, opening the hands. We bring that right hand and right foot in, change, step, across, change, back, change, step, across, change, back, change, step, across. We'll inhale, exhale. So we do 3 of those. Up, step, brush, push, follow. Back, back. Step, slice with the right, push forward onto the left knee. Step, turn the palms over, slice with the left hand, push forward onto the right. Down, step, punch, follow. Back, open back, step forward, push forward, turn, inhale, exhale. And for those of you who are adventurous, guess what we do now? That's right, we switch and do the exact same thing on the other side. So you'll shift into your left leg, step out with the right, and open. But don't you worry, we'll get there next time.